My dear student, welcome back to my online class. You all are requested to keep attention on my class. This class is very important. In this class, you will be able to know different types of technique of answering graph chart analyzing process. Welcome to my class. Our today's subject English first paper level ACC or ALIM question solution technique. How to answer the question on graph chart under Bangladesh National Curriculum. The class is presented by MD Rashidul Islam, lecturer in English, Garangia Islamia Rabbani Women Degree Madrasa. This is my identity. Learning outcomes. The student will be able to say about the way of writing paragraph from a graph chart, about the two important methods of analyzing graph chart, about the technique of writing graph chart, about the notion of utterance of a sentence. Warm-up activity. What do you see in the picture? My dear students, please look at the slide and think about the picture for 2 minutes. This is a warm-up activity. If you understand this picture, it will be easy for you to understand the latter question described in this slide. What do you see in the picture? The picture is described about 3 countries, Bangladesh, India and UK. In the picture, we see the different color is used in different graph chart. In the graph chart in different style. In 1990, 1980, 1990, 2000, 2016. This is the year and this is the ratio or percentage of the graph chart. So at first you have to understand it. Actually, what information the graph chart indicate is very important for you. If you understand this method, you will be able to understand the question and answer technique. Without understanding the graph chart, it is not easy for you to answer of the question on graph chart. I hope you understood the picture. Please take notebook and pen to write down the important instruction given in this lecture. This instruction is also important for you to answer the question successfully. Preparation for examination 2020. Question. Our today's question: analyzing the chart and transfer the information into the pages. 2 question. Analyzing chart, transfer information. Transfer information and analyzing chart. You have to analyze chart and you have to transfer the information into the passage. Passage. We have to create a passage. We have to write a passage following the graph chart. The information must be relevant with the passage. You will find a question like this in your examination. My dear students, here we find 2 types of information: rice production, potato production. Rice production and potato production. The red color indicate rice production in different year, and the potato production, the white color indicate potato production in different year in Bangladesh. 2005 we see 30,000 metric ton. 2010 we see rice production is about 40,000 metric ton. In 2015 we see rice production is 30,000 metric ton. In 2017 we see rice production 30,000 metric ton. On the other hand, the potato production 2005 above 40, 2010 above 40, 2015 above 40,000 metric ton, 2017 above also 40,000 metric ton. Is information for you. This information is very important to write the answer successfully. If you follow my instruction given in the later slide, it will be helpful for you to answer the question successfully. Technique of answering question. Understand the question. At first you have to understand the question. Find the subject matter of the question. Search the chart and P-chart indication. Make a short list of information. Make a utterance, close phrase. Then try to make sentence from the close phrase utterance. Transfer the sentence into a passage. At first you have to understanding the question. You have to understand the subject matter of the question. You have to understand the comparative discussion of a question. You have to understand the graph chart of the question. Find the subject matter of the question. Subject matter. Actually, what subject matter indicate in the passage, indicate in the graph chart, which subject matter indicate for analysis is very important. Suppose our previous slide indicate rice production and potato production. Two subject matter, rice production and potato production. This is the subject matter of the question. You have to understand. Find the chart and P-chart indication. P-chart and chart indication indicate. This is the indication. This is the indication. This is the indication. This is also the indication. Instruction. So you have to follow it. This instruction instruct the year, different year, and this instruction indicate the ratio, indicate the percentage, indicate the metric ton, indicate the various types of indication is described in the question. You have to follow the question to understand the what indication, what instruction is given by the ratio, and what instruction is given by the ratio will be discussed, will be noted in the question. Make a short list of information. You have to make a short list of information. Short list. Rice production. You have to gather information from the graph chart. 2005 rice production 30. On the other hand, 2017 we see rice production is also 30. In 2010 we see the rice production is about 40,000 metric ton. These types of instruction is very important. This is the gathering information. Make a short list of utterance, close phrase. Short list of utterance. Short list of utterance. Short list of utterance. Short list of utterance. Utterance means the part of a sentence. At first you have to understand the utterance. Utterance means the part of a sentence. You have to create short sentence, short sentences. For example, rice production 2005 30,000. On the other hand, potato production 2010 is about 40,000 metric ton. On the other hand, 2017 we see rice production 30,000 metric ton. Such types of information you have to create utterance following such types of information. Then try to make a sentence from the clause, phrase, utterance. You have to transform the information from the utterance into sentence, from the phrase into sentence, from the clause into a sentence. Then you will be able to create a passage. You will be able to write a passage following the such types of way. Our question is about the information on rice and potato production in Bangladesh in the year 2019. My dear student, we can answer the question into two ways: comparative writing technique, chart description technique. Before I described about chart description technique, then now we will discuss about the comparative writing technique. Comparative writing technique indicate the comparative discussion of the chart, comparative analyzing of the chart. You can analyze such types of way. The rice production in different years is changing, upper and lower level is changing radically. On the other hand, potato production in different year is about same. It is not changing. It is in a existing way. It is in the same way in the graph chart. Such types of analyzing is called comparative analysis. And you will give my dear student, these types of analyzing is called comparative analyzing. Comparative writing, it is instructed to write comparative increase, decrease information between rice and potato in different year. At first, you have to transfer the comparative possibilities of rice production in different year. Chart description is instructed general discussion in different year. This is comparative analyzing and chart description writing procedure. Evaluation. Comparative discussion is very helpful to secure highest mark because it is a creative answer. You have to understand comparative analyzing is a creative answer that express problem and solution from the chart. So comparative analyzing of the chart is helpful to secure standard marks, highest marks in the examination. Because comparative analyzing of chart is a creative answer, the examiner must give the value on the creative answer. You have to understand it. Thank you very much, my dear student. See you next class. Thank you all.